another beautiful day today here on Eastern's campus. As we look across now, we're seeing clear skies, and we saw highs today reach the 70s and even the 80s in parts of the area, but we did see a high of 78 degrees here in Charleston, 80 degrees in places like Decatur and Taylorville, but for the most part in the upper 70s across the area. Now, as we look at our current temperatures, those temperatures are beginning to drop down just a little bit. 77 degrees currently here in Charleston, and we've dipped below 80 in portions. But other than that, we're also seeing clear skies across the entire area, and those clear skies are going to continue to be with us as we move overnight tonight. And along with that, we're going to be seeing a low of 56 degrees, which is a little bit warmer than what we saw the past few nights, and that's partly due to the winds that are blowing out of the southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour, blowing warmer air up into our area and warming our temperatures. Now, as we take a look at our futurecast for overnight, we're going to be seeing clear skies throughout the entire night. But as we move into the morning hours, we're going to be seeing some clouds move in along with some rain. But these rain showers are going to be scattered as we move throughout the day. No significant rainfall as we move throughout the day. And along with that, we're also going to be seeing a high of 77 degrees, which is common for this time of year. And we're going to continue to see temperatures in the 70s and possibly the 80s as we look forward. Now, looking back at this rain possibility for tomorrow, we're going to be seeing some scattered showers as we move into the afternoon hours, but it's going to move out very quickly, eventually leaving us with partly cloudy skies to finish off our day on Friday. Now, other than that, other than all the rain that we have been seeing, we are considered just dry for right now. The moderately dry conditions have been taken out of our forecast, and even some of our counties such as Effingham and Shelby are not considered dry at all, and that's due to the rain that we have been seeing in the past week. Now, looking forward to our football weekend, we're going to be seeing a lot of football this weekend. Coles County Clash on Friday. That kickoff is at 7 p.m. here at O'Brien Field, and around that time we're going to be seeing temperatures around 71 degrees. And then on Saturday we're going to be seeing our homecoming game here at Eastern, and around that time we're going to be seeing temperatures around 83 degrees at 2 p.m. for that kickoff. Looking closer at our homecoming festivities, we're going to be seeing a parade at 9:30. Around that time, we're going to be seeing temperatures around 72 degrees, but those temperatures will warm up as we make it to the tailgate, with temperatures around 76, eventually reaching the 80s by kickoff against southeastern Missouri. Now, other than that, we are also seeing a warm up due to our jet stream. We're seeing a ridge of warmer air over top of us on Friday, which is warming up our temperatures. And as we move into Saturday, that ridge will develop, eventually warming our temperatures up even further into the 80s. But by Sunday, we'll start to see those temperatures cool back down because that ridge will begin to fall apart and a small trough will move over top of us. Now, even with that ridge over top of us, we're still going to be considered above average for the next 6 to 10 days. That average for this time of year is typically in the low 70s. And as we take a look at our 7-day, we're definitely going to be above the low 70s looking forward, with a high of 77 degrees on Friday, eventually reaching the 80s on Saturday. But then we'll start to cool back down as we finish off our weekend with a high of 80 degrees on Sunday, continuing to cool down as we start next work week with a high of 69 degrees on Monday. But then we're going to see a warm up again on Tuesday, with a high of 73 degrees, eventually reaching a high of 77 on Wednesday, and then the 80s again.